Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Sorry if you can hear a bit of an echo. So today we are in my bathroom and we are going to be doing a declutter series. So my partner and I are going to be moving into a new place next week and we need to pack and basically get rid of things that we don't need, mostly my stuff. So as you guys know, as a beauty content creator type person, I get sent things all the time and I try them out. Sometimes I do forget that I own them, or I get carried away trying another product and I completely forget about it. So this is basically that. There's just so much product, and as you guys know, I've recently dyed my hair, so there is a little bit of like some staining on here which can easily be removed. So I'm going to also be cleaning here, so I thought it would be a great idea to show you guys what I have, what I'm getting rid of, what my thoughts and opinions about them were when I used them. Because honestly some of them I did save for an empties video, but just it never happened. I've got a paper bag that I'm going to put all the recycling stuff in, and things that can't be recycled, which I don't think a lot of it can't be recycled, I'll throw away in the normal bins. Let's start from the very far end. I've got some vanilla shampoo conditioner, which I do love, so I'm not getting rid of that. I'm going to keep it here for now. I've got the Garnier Olia rose gold one, which I do like, and I did use. I kept the box for a video, but don't really need it anymore, so I'm just going to throw that away. So I've got some Generation Clay. You guys know I love this. I still have heaps, so I'm going to keep that. By the way, if you guys are wondering what kind of deodorant I use this. So I have a couple of dry shampoos that I have used up that I still keep here. I really need to get rid of. So Batiste dry shampoos, love them. This is when I had brown hair. This one was when I went back blonde. Used them both, really good. I've got this Di Lorenzo Nova Fusion Beige Blonde Shampoo. I bought this maybe 4 years ago, 5, maybe 5, not 6. 5 years ago. This is going to go down the drain because I'm pretty sure the formula has gone off. It's a nice beige tone, but I'm just going to put that down in the drain and then just recycle the packaging. Alright guys, so I'm just going to speed things up. I'm going to chuck things out that I don't need, and then if there's anything significant, like a significant story behind any specific product, I'll pause and talk about it. I'm going to stop the fast forward for this. This is from Sidel Dry Shampoo for Dark Hair, and when I first used it I thought it's alright, but the more I used it, the more I realized I really do not like this. So I'm just checking if I'm in frame. Yeah, I really do not like this. It didn't really help with oil control. My hair just felt oily and just flat, so do not recommend this, unfortunately. Alright, so that's pretty much the bench done. Now we're going to move into the medicine cabinet, which is a whole new story. As you guys can see, there's an assortment of products here. That pile over there, ooh, let me see. That pile over there is my partner's stuff. The rest of it is pretty much all mine. So this is going to be a challenge. We're just going to try and declutter as much as I can. Again, I'm going to stop if there's any significant story with any specific product, I should say. Yeah, let's begin. so I'm not finished with this, and I've already filled one whole paper bag. This is an old NYX paper bag I've got. It's pretty big, it's already full, so I'm just gonna grab another one of these paper bags or like a box so I can continue on with this because there's still a lot of product. Okay, found another paper bag. This one's pretty much the same size from Garnier this time. So let's see how fast this is gonna fill up. Alright guys, so I am done decluttering and just sorting out through the bathroom. Now all that's left is just to clean, so I'm not going to show you guys that because that's pretty boring, but I have managed to fill this bag to half, and then the other bag was obviously full. There are some other toiletries here that we're still currently using, so I'm going to leave them out while the others I'm just going to pack them up in bags so that I can put them in a box or a bag so that it's all ready for the move. But yeah, that's pretty much it guys. So don't forget, this is going to be a series that I'm going to be doing. So this is the bathroom. The next one is going to be my filming room, which is going to be a really big one because I've got heaps and heaps of products in there. I'm going to be doing that today. I'm going to be doing that this afternoon after I clean the bathroom. But I'll also do a bit of a house tour, room tour once we finally move into the new place. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed. Please bear with me while this move is happening. I might not be very active on YouTube just because so many things are happening, but I will try to be very active on Instagram, both on MrKenDenis and on Glam Boys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!